Tonight we are ascending Mount.
As soon, I don't know why, all I could think about was tonight's the night I will fall for you over again. And then Homeboy was like staring into my soul in the background with like them light skinned eyes. I was like, God damn, they about to start singing? That's a new rock band? This is gonna be crazy.
Mount Merapi.
The most active volcano in the whole of Indonesia.
I don't know about that
and
one.
we plan to survive the next 7 days on the rim of this natural phenomena.
That seemed a little
We've seen what this type of volcano can do to humans, producing 800-degree lava substances at over 100.
Wait a second. That's a person in there? Is somebody's child in there? Ain't no fucking way. That's crazy. They just got it on display? Just somebody's child just in a factory. That's not crazy? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Producing 800-degree lava substances at over 100 miles per hour, potentially leaving us murdered. All right, let's be freaking real. We penetrate this unstable landscape with only one point of contact. A man I found on Instagram that claims to be the leader of the Indonesia volcano mafia.
What the fuck?
This bloke. All right, and he calls himself Andy Volcano. You know, that doesn't seem dodgy. It seems real. Okay, so we're gonna go with it. Let's see what happens. All right.
Right, so Andy Volcano has just whipped out the banana wine.
Oh no, that's crazy. He take booty holes for sure. I'm already knowing.
And what, you reckon you're a bit steaming?
Yeah, a little bit drunk.
Okay, that's good, yeah.
Just what you want for summiting a volcano.
Right, so not only is he already off his
There's just
tits,
people stuck
it
inside
then
of
turns out
volcanoes?
he's
I didn't know that.
blinded one eye. Blind, right?
He's about to escort them and be blind?
Wait. I'm not laughing at blindness, right? It's the fact it's as a result of doing exactly what we're about to go and do.
What?
Right? I don't know. This is just fucked, mate.
Okay.
Wait, so like the ash, did it like hit him in the eye or something? No, this is kind of crazy. Is it really that dangerous? I thought they were just, I'm not gonna lie. I was watching, I'm thinking, okay, they clickbaited, like they probably just gonna walk around like close to the edge, but this is about to get crazy.
Okay.
I can see beautiful girls, no problems.
Beautiful girls, no problem.
He lying.
Local talent.
Local talent.
Right, time to get serious.
Tonight. Look, obviously no disrespect and stuff. No, this will be Muslim prayer.
What is happening?
He doesn't sound that happy about it.
No, perhaps we indeed need the prayer.
Hell no, nigga.
And as we are presented
Hell
with a
no.
live...
Wait, they just play that shit in the morning that early? Hell no. That nigga sounds so mad. He don't even want to be up that early praying. What the fuck?
webcam of Mount Merapi currently erupting.
Wait a second. They just got webcams out on the mountain? Wait a second.
It's now time for us to commence
it can't be
our
that crazy.
ascendance.
Wait, mate, he's fucking speeding off. Boy, Andy, do you reckon you could slow down a sec, mate?
Okay, close together.
Excuse us, mental.
I'm not gonna lie. In my head, I'm thinking you gotta wear something else besides an outfit like this to go stand next to a volcano. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking like, I fuck with Adidas. You know what I'm saying? I would think Adidas is kind of they're kind of cool, but what the fuck? What the fuck is going on here?
Okay, close together.
Excuse us, mental. Excuse us, absolutely fucking mental. So what does the swirly noise mean?
This is, there is rock falls.
Rock falls,
What?
also big avalanche.
Yeah.
Okay.
Following a 2-hour trek through the night, we decide to take some rest 3.5 kilometers from the crater to secure some vital bonding time. We'll need better visibility near a sun.
Chat, my question is too, how come people that do stuff like this, why don't they like weed eat a trail or something? Like, Why are they walking through that? That just looks terrible.
Rise to complete the remainder of the journey. Although we are already in danger zone 3, the maximum death zone.
Hey!
Meaning if a full eruption occurs now, we will be incinerated.
Bro. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Global hotbox, yo, Gunner, relax.
While Merapi looks like it's about to explode, a serious issue arises within the group.
What were you saying about Thailand? Sorry, Andy.
Transgender. So many lady boy, but
Oh.
that's so beautiful.
Do you want to hear a funny story about ladyboys?
I went for a massage.
Ah, okay.
And it's so crazy,
What,
Jade. I don't know. I don't feel like that. I feel like he looks hella young. Like when I look at Joe Weller, I still see like old Joe Weller. Like when they were like beef when the fight stuff was like just starting. Like he still looks like a kid to me. I don't know.
Thing led to another. Yeah, like obviously they had been touching me.
Right.
Like very, very inappropriately. They started to take their clothes off, and then I got a glimpse of a.
Oh, Joe Weller had a nah. Joe like lady boys? Nah. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Just imagine. Yeah. Imagine seeing that right now, and you can't move. Shit!
Paracasic flow.
Wait. Is this bad? Is this?
No, nothing. Stay. Don't panic.
Nigga, it's literally lava coming down the mountain. What you mean, don't
I hope
panic?
we survive, man.
What the
I hope we
fuck?
survive, yeah.
I hope we
Now
survive.
getting now bigger, slowly but sure.
Oh, hell no.
Okay.
Little shaky.
Okay.
Hell no.
Oh shit.
As we question how we'll ever make it to the rim of this erupting beast, it's revealed that locals believe a mystical spirit lives deep within this volcano, and thus urinating anywhere is highly offensive,
Chat, what is a spirit?
and can even lead to being cursed by the spirit.
Urinating anywhere? Get the fuck out of here, bro. This is what I'm saying. This is the kind of dumb shit that I'm talking about, bro. All out here in this open land, I can't piss? The fuck is going on, bro? This is where like my beliefs out the window. I'm like, get the fuck out of here, nigga. I'm pissing right here.
Andy Volcano claims to have proof to
I'm
back this
pissing
up.
right here.
You believe or not, somebody like pee without permission or without something,
Yes.
and then after that, in a week, couldn't erect like this.
what?
No erections.
Oh,
and then
no.
he come back here to climb and then to apologize, put offerings, and then after that, it's normal again.
No, it's in his mind, you fucking idiots.
Never had that personally. And
So what do you think? No lady boy, then if no erection.
oh, fucking twat.
I'm gonna get caught up. chat.
Surely
I'm
you
gonna get caught up.
shagged
I'm not
up
even
here,
gonna cap.
volcano.
You ever shagged someone up here?
Sex?
Yeah.
No.
Because imagine you're erupting at the same time as the volcano.
This is my private place. In this one.
It's for the boys.
This is
For the
my
boys.
private. Actually, I have I have many girlfriends.
Oh, how many?
127.
120. Oh, they're all volcanoes in Indonesia.
Yeah, you shag.
Oh, you
I was like, God damn, nigga. 127 is crazy.
shags the volcanoes. He does.
I love them more than girls, The girl can change, but volcano always love you. But I always treat the volcano like the girls.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're now facing the brutal reality that if that fucking thing pings off, yeah, we are in the absolute #1 death zone. Pretty funny. I mean, it's not.
Are there just no bugs anywhere else but America? I don't understand the world. Like I don't. Nigga, if I go lay in my front yard right now, I might get eaten alive. I'll probably die. Like, what is happening?
Funny, like at all. At all. The boys are doing it.
Joe Weller
Of
went to a
course we are,
volcano,
mate.
Jade.
Look at us. Look at your head. It looks good. It does. No, don't laugh. Why is everyone laughing? Stop. Nate. It was interesting when Andy Volcano brought up like the whole not being able to get an erection thing, because I haven't felt arousal in, I'd say, 3 weeks. You know, normally you wake up, oh, big rod-on. Throughout the day, like, oh, a couple rod-ons here and there. Well, you do, don't you, mate? Let's not beat around the bush. I've had 0. 0.
When was the last rod on?
Yeah, but it was 7.5 weeks ago. No. Probably,
Hey,
probably
yo!
about like 3.7 weeks ago. Okay? If we're being realistic. Like, why can't I do my career, health, and also have my devilish side? It's
What? Your devilish side is getting a rod.
What?
yeah, no, do you know what I mean? No, that represents like sexual being. Oh, should I shake the volcano? I could do that.
Why don't you give Ben Strone a go?
I could give that a go, to be fair. Pause here. I think it's the way it resembles like a nice perky breast. Wait.
I just ordered a pair of tits like that.
Wait, I think it does, isn't it?
Where's the nip?
Let me get close up. Look, you'll know what I mean, like little perky ones. Ready?
I would definitely compare Danny Aaron's and Joe Weller. Like if Danny Aaron's was getting some pussy, like it just not. I can't fathom it. I can't even see it. Like in my head, I can't even imagine it. You know what I'm saying?
Look, bulbous. Do you not see it? I see it. Look, turn it sideways. Turn the camera sideways. Bang. I see that, and I know how it's making me feel.
Now, amongst all the fun, games, and exuberant self-expression, it becomes apparent that we are as close as one can get to the volcano rim via this particular route.
Chat. So we smacking drowned drones now? And ladyboys? Joe is different. He different. I don't know, man.
Andy Volcano didn't realize we needed to be on the actual crater in order for this 7-day survival attempt to count.
Yeah, y'all gonna
As our
stop telling me
volcanic
I'm down
dreams
bad.
seem to be in tatters. We are told that this battle is not over.
No.
It
Don't
has
do that.
only just begun.
Well, shit, nigga, you ain't even told us nothing yet. I feel like we've been watching the intro for the last 10 fucking minutes, Joe. How the fuck did they get to a town? I thought they were walking up a volcano. What the fuck? What?
Jesus. Bro, it's actually savage.
It's the cows. This is cow.
They would have just been incinerated.
Yes.
This is the haunting reality of an abandoned village just 4 kilometers away from Mount Merapi.
Inside of this room, so there is spirit, that stay here. I know. Then
You can feel it.
There is, I can feel it.
There's a spirit. What?
Yeah, more than one.
More than one in this room. Let's see. Can you see anything on camera? So how many people would have died in this exact building?
About 500.
500 people in this.
The village.
Oh, so you feel it in your neck. You
Yes,
just
yes.
feel there's a spirit.
Yes,
Can you
yes.
tell if it's man, woman, child?
This is man's now.
It's a man.
Man's,
Okay, and here we approach a bunker where 2 volunteers were killed as they were trapped by an eruption.
Okay, so quick question, right? So like, I struggle with like, what is it called where you like feel bad for people, right? So like if I go out, right, and I buy a tiger and I put that nigga in my living room, if I die, I'm just an idiot, right? Like I'm not like niggas gonna like people are gonna be like sad, like, oh man, like that guy's gone. But like it's almost like I was asking for it. You know what I'm saying? Like, in a way, right? So, like, you live next to a volcano, right? Right? You know that this is a volcano, right? But, like, in your head, you're just like, fuck it. I don't get it. I don't know.
Oh my God. Mate, so it's like me and you right now. And the reality is that could happen any moment. So he died in this bathroom. Oh, shit. What do you sense?
I sense there is spirit now.
There is spirit.
I don't really understand that either. How do you not afford to move?
Automatically, just like.
Oh, you got goosebumps?
Yes. Like different like this, erect.
Yeah, you're erect.
Just automatically.
Yeah, automatically erect. Yeah.
That's it's the sixth sense.
After establishing no one in their right mind should be anywhere near this volcano, it's then revealed that our only way up it is via infiltrating illegal mining mafia territory. People Andy Volcano claims to be very aggressive and violent, and we are doing so tonight.
What? Wait, what? Sorry, what's it? What? Wait, what? You're a fucking moose.
Ready for the mafia?
Right. So,
Chat, shot time. I'm ready to get lit, baby. I'm ready to get lit. How about you? Ooh, go. I heard you. You sounded so sexy just getting poured in there. Oh, God. Okay. Cheers, baby. First shot of being 30. And it feels good. Ugh.
No, wait.
Like, I'm all for praying, you know what I'm saying? But you ain't gotta interrupt other people. Like, we don't all pray here, you know what I'm saying? Let me go to sleep, gang. I'm like still so confused. Where the fuck are they, chat? Didn't they just like turn and start walking into the woods? Then they ended up at a convenience store. Now they're in a car. Then they ended up like back at the guy's hotel after they were sleeping in the middle of the woods. What the fuck is happening? Jay with the 100 biddies, baby.
what's going on? Getting looked at very closely. So the police are powerless against this mafia.
Yes.
The volcano mafia.
Okay.
Truck driver.
Okay.
They have gun, you know.
They have gun.
Yes.
Okay. Our volcano vid has somehow become Ross Kemp on gangs.
Yeah, what's going on?
Fucking hell.
Hell,
This is fucking stupid.
I don't agree with you, Bucko.
I hate this. I hate it with a passion.
So unstable.
How am I so unstable? Have you seen the fucking ground, mate? Oh.
This is the way.
Well done, you stood still. Where's the volcano?
Over there.
It's over there. Can't you
It's
see?
in that dark area
As
over there?
tensions
Okay.
rise, we are now positioned 3 kilometers from the volcano rim. We don't know whose eyes could be on us or what their intentions with us may be.
Right, they trying to
We
sell
must now
drugs. They don't
prepare
give a
to
shit about y'all.
finally mount this volcano.
They're like,
in the
oh, here comes
coming
this fucking
hours.
weirdo that sleeps with volcanoes
This is what
again.
we've got to rest our skeleton on tonight.
I didn't quite realise we were camping on the mafia's rubble.
Yeah, yeah.
Mafia rubbish. The shit that didn't make it.
There's just no grass anywhere? Maybe a tree? Nothing?
What's it saying? What's it saying? It's a nice on the, like the spinal cord. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Nice.
What do you mean, how would there be grass? The lava burned it.
Do you sleep here?
Yeah, but it's been a while.
Yeah,
Look at
I
all those
mean, would
plants. There's plants everywhere.
Well, if the mafia just bowl it up here now, like, and just see us boys, what are they gonna think? Surely they're just, like, fuck off. Like, what are you doing, you weirdos?
What if they've got more rubbish to dump it?
Yeah, what if they just get the old JCB out and just start like during the night, oh, doo-doo-doo.
Buried alive
like-
match.
Just actual buried alive. Drop us a like. If we get 300,000 likes, we're going to take Andy Volcano to Thailand and get him a nice tuggy from a ladyboy. Right? Something he's always dreamed of.
He doesn't stop going on about it.
Stop going on about it. So we're gonna make it happen. You know what to do.
Wait, so the guys that live there, they haven't even experienced it yet? That's crazy. So they really are just looking for tourists. That's kind of, okay, all right. Hey, more for us, you know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding, chat. You gotta try it at least once though, right? At least one, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, at least one. Some of them be looking kind of crazy. They be looking at crab like, God damn, I might get caught up. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Don't nobody clip that.
Lady boy gonna rap me then.
Gonna what?
Rap me.
Ride you?
Yeah.
No
What the
one
fuck?
said you had to shag him.
He about to be in reverse cowgirl for sure. How does that work? Do you think you feel the dick while he's riding you? Chat.
Following rain
Important
and
questions.
further poor weather conditions, Andy Volcano has presented us with some frustrating news this morning.
So it's likely the God,
Well, I mean,
does not allow
I
us
wanna
to swim
know.
rapid these moments. Nature is nature. Seems like this, in my experience, is not gonna, it's not gonna get clear.
The ground is too wet and slippery, and the visibility is zero.
Pussies?
Right, so the weather is against us. Last night it pissed it down. Today the cloud cover and fog is 100%. I personally don't feel like we've experienced the full wrath of an erupting violent volcano.
You haven't
So
even been
what I'm
there yet.
suggesting is that after this we find another one. An explosive big motherfucker. One that's gonna really like make us shit ourselves.
What? You telling me I'm going into 45 minutes? These niggas ain't even, what is happening right now? Hold on here. Am I just getting baited into watching a 45-minute video?
We fly to the north of
I am. It's
Indonesia,
happening.
to the
It's
island
happening.
of Halmahera, to take on Mount Ducono.
Somebody just set off some tannerite? What's going on?
And here he is, Senor Tug Lord. Give it to me, son.
Senor Tug Lord? Kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh shit, right, Andy Volcano's just collected some 40% homemade alcohol. For
Cheers,
tonight.
baby.
For tonight. Boy. Here he goes. Shit. Now he's stuck.
I hope he's not paying for this. Like these niggas brought this weak ass truck out here and made me pay for it. God, that beat was hitting.
Hi. Fucking cool boys, mate. We won't be stopped, jellyfips. Never. By nothing. Nothing. Bit of rain, piss off.
Couldn't you just fly to the top of the volcano? Like couldn't you walking there just seems like such a chore.
Bit of wind, suck your man. Ben's gone. Ben, where are you, mate? You're just having a wank. All right. Boy.
What?
Wait, so that's ash from the volcano we're going to.
Oh, they fucked off.
They have fucked off.
Do they just like not have snakes in Indonesia? Like that's not a thing?
All right, so night has fallen. We're 7.5 kilometers going now. And yeah, we're gonna need to set up a camp soon. Get some rest because at 3 a.m. we are gonna be summiting
Maybe
to
they just
the
don't
rim
care?
of Mount Ducono.
Some giant
The
cocks.
volcano. All right.
And once we set up our tents just 1.5 kilometers from the crater, we are then groomed with the almighty back garden made, potentially lethal, alcohol.
So some bloke has made this in their back garden and sat around here now and we're gonna drink it. Andy, what's it made out of?
The arak. Who?
Bum sugar.
Bum sugar.
Wait, what's it?
Bum
Mysterious, unidentifiable liquid.
Ada itu, nah itu dia.
So let's go for it, jelly flips.
Sudah, sini.
Yeah.
That is amazing. That is amazing.
Is it?
Like in my head, I'm trying to understand like why you would want to get like super drunk and fucked up on the side of a volcano. Like in my head, it just I'm trying to understand this video. I'm trying to. It's like taking me down so many different paths.
Yeah, but no,
Wait, your eyes have gone bloodshot.
Okay. No, I'm good at this normally. Alright. Okay.
Ini.
How is it, mate? Fucking awful. Awful. No, it's quality.
Yeah.
No. Quality.
Okay.
Sake ini Bang.
Sake, yeah. Yeah. Is it a good idea to get wankered with what we're about to do?
No.
Is it a good idea to do what we're about to do?
We're probably going to have loads of it though, aren't we?
Oh.
Double shot jelly flips. Yeah, no, I on a level, for like my own health and safety now, I'll give me another one.
It makes you feel fucking class though. It makes you feel class.
Mate, that is dreadful.
We're gonna have to fucking ship that shit in.
No, we're gonna have to have it all now. Right, you're gonna have another one. Actually, wait, think about this. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Because like when you have a tuggy, it helps you get to sleep as well. You just like, you have a quick one, or even a long one.
Is that why you wouldn't be so far away
No,
from everyone?
I don't want to start wanking on the
You
volcano.
have put your tent very far away, and you've got your own one.
Well, yeah, it's just sort of like so that they're like noise, snoring, the snoring noise. Because I don't want to be heard. No, I don't want you to be snoring, and that keeps me awake. Yes, I wanked in Calux's bed. But one thing that I'm not planning to do, jelly flips, is wank on a erupting volcano.
Would you not like to erupt simultaneously?
That could be quite good. And it's like for the culture.
Oh yeah.
Like, do you know what I mean?
So you've been planning it?
Just imagine you go home to the wife and kids,
What the fuck?
and you can say, I've had a big tactical wank
Tapi Om, tali ya.
on the volcano that was spewing, that was erupting, and I did the same thing.
Why was
I
it?
did it.
Why is it tactical when you come camping with a load of bikes? Attacking wax like so you last longer.
No. I don't
Blast
wanna
the
shake
load
any
with the
volcano.
homies.
Don't forget, Jam. Don't forget.
What's this? Oh, it's gas mask.
Oh, do we need it now?
What does that look like?
Maybe I should
Okay.
call her.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
No, like this, just like.
Wait,
Aman. Yang penting dia ada.
I don't know what
Aman,
kind
aman.
of Discord calls you be in,
Don't be
Adrian.
disrespectful there.
Kalau udah kasih mati aman.
Balagged.
Okay,
My
so
homies
this is
never
where
wanna
it
have
gets
these kinda
very
calls.
real, very quick. We are now entering the absolute incineration zone, and if anything happens now, yeah, you can guess what happens.
As we reach 500 meters from the rim, we get our first taste of this volcano.
Volcano. Well, it's so strong. Oh my days.
Nigga, that's the volcano making that?
That's not wind. That's the volcano.
Well, I mean, the wind, it's coming from the volcano, right?
Okay, guys, listen. If there is big explosions, please don't move. Stay with me. Stay. Don't move. And then look up. Like that.
What?
Okay, let's continue.
What? Wait a second. If there's big explosion, don't move. Oh, so he's basically trying to say like, don't get like you might get lost and run away or some shit. I feel like that's probably what he's saying. But low key, that kind of scared me because I'm like, nigga, shouldn't we be getting the fuck out? Like if there's a big explosion? Bro got the Daisy Dukes on the volcano. That's crazy.
Yeah, this is absolutely fucked, mate.
Okay, guys, be careful. Here I put the. What the fuck? What? Google. No. Yes, let's go here.
It's the maddest thing on
Shit, jelly whales! It's what it's all about, son!
We are on the rim of an erupting volcano.
What?
Fucking hell, boys!
Yo!
Oh my fucking god! We are not very far away from that.
What the fuck?
At all.
This thing looks powerful, it sounds aggressive, and it can be violent at any moment. Oh my god! Is it rolling?
Oh. Don't explode. Wait, it's gone silent. That can mean an explosion is imminent.
Holy shit!
Apparently, if it explodes, it can send bombs of lava-ous rock kilometers into the air. And we are right in its path for if it does so. You're getting a mixed feeling of absolute terror and just utter epicness. Right, this is so cool, but fucking hell, it is scary. Bunch of fucking stiff idiots on the crater of an erupting volcano that could blow at any minute.
Nigga sleeping?
Whoa.
Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. Like that was cool. It's lit. It looked dope. You know what I'm saying? Such a cool experience. Such a great experience. Let's fucking go. Like we should go. Like this looks crazy now. Wow. It's like somebody left the grill on. You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit!
What are we doing? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Well, that's just like the fucking centre of the earth, mate.
Yeah, that right there is a portal to the centre of the earth.
It can do whatever it wants to us without consent. But I don't know at what point we have to make certain calls. If you know what I mean.
Oh my god, I thought that noise was coming from the volcano, bro. That shit scared the hell out of me. Like in my head, right? That just seems like the most dangerous spot to be. Like, I just feel like you would fall. Like what's stopping that from just like that you're literally just on like a little bit of crust? Like, what's stopping that from just collapsing and you just falling right in the hole? They're on the edge of a cliff, bro. Bro, like that looks crazy.
The noise of the volcano has increased considerably.
Let's go.
Something is about to happen, but we don't know, and we will never know until it happens.
This is now little bit not good.
That's what you want to hear.
What?
Should we go down?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, we're having to do an emergency evacuation because this has very quickly got out of hand and dangerous. Right.
Oh, really? Being on the rim of a volcano?
Yep.
Go down.
Ben, go.
Okay.
Great
Don't
editing.
waste any time now.
Because they got
could
my
that
heart
just
going
happened
crazy.
Have produced
I can't
that
even count.
now. Could that happen now?
Yes.
Okay.
So possibility
Oh.
can happen like this.
Why are we standing here then? Should we
What
move?
is that?
So possibility can explode like this and then produce big bombs far away like this.
Kill us.
Yeah? Which is called a broadcast bombs.
Let's go.
So your helmet just for shit.
Sorry.
It's gonna do loads.
That comes out irrelevant. Irrelevant. That hits any of. That even gets close to one of us.
Look, imagine guys, this is
I am
like about
imagining.
from the craters like still about
Shall we go?
It is
700 meters. But still,
Fucking get out of here!
Get around the bush a bit more.
there's one more. Look.
Oh no!
Okay, bro. All right. This is when I smacked that nigga in the back of the head. Like, all right, so it looks like we should probably go, right? We should probably get the fuck out of here, huh? Okay. Or set up camp. Okay, what is happening? I feel like I literally feel like I'm about to have a heart attack. What is happening right now?
Ultimately, feel a bit off my tits now. But
They got the pack in Indonesia?
ultimately,
Okay.
feel a bit off my tits
I know they had the
now,
Pacquiao over there.
But we've made it past the first serious mission.
Kasih tomat. Itu ada tomat mati.
I've not got any trousers on, and I'm pleased about it.
Yes, Elliot's made a shag hole in the sand of a female. But Andy Volcano, do you want to have a go? Yeah.
Volcanoes is my girlfriend.
Okay, so Andy, if it was legal,
Yeah.
would you marry a volcano?
If it's legal.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Have you ever made love to a volcano?
Spiritually. Only for tagi.
Only for tuggies. To get tuggies from the volcano.
Volcano like that.
Okay. Erupting me.
Volcano like that?
Andy.
Go on, Andy.
Go on, Andy. This is your chance.
No.
No.
It's not volcano.
Oh, it needs to be a volcano for you to shag it. Okay. Ben, surely you're like, get your confidence back up. Shag this mural.
This could be your first shag, mate.
It's good, Ben.
Shag the ground, Ben.
Ben, don't do it. Ben, stop it.
I'm not.
Ben, the last cameraman that we watched, okay, he drank a bottle of piss for like $10. Ben, don't do it, Ben. You're making good money, Ben. Ben, we don't gotta know you. There's no reason for this clip to be a thing. Ben, stop it. Ben, stop it. Ben, don't even think about it, Ben.
Not shagging
Just
it.
fuck it, mate.
This guy needs to leave.
Fuck it.
Surely quick spar. First person
Quick
to get the
spar?
other one out of the circle wins. 3, 2.
Can we go home?
Go.
Shit.
Oh shit! Oh, champion! You just got.
I don't know how I feel. It just literally, we just had a race war. Niggas lost. What's going on? We'd like to trade him. I feel like he's probably somehow somehow he was giving me light skin vibes, like he might be half. And I think the 50% side is, or the 20 or the 5%, we're trading this nigga. We would like anybody. Shit. Anybody. The black delegation is putting forth a trade spree. No way.
Done. 1, 2, 3, go! Calling all.
It's getting personal. He just let 2 white men. What is happening right now?
the YouTube mugs out. Tag team match. Anyone that wants it. Anyone.
Don't be scared now.
In amongst the rough and tumble,
I gotta drink
we
of
are
that.
sprung upon with a volcanic ultimatum. Either we stay at Mount Ducono for the remainder of this expedition, or we climb to the rim of an even bigger and more dangerous volcano on this island by the name of Mount Ebu.
I just watched that on
I
TV.
think
I don't
you
gotta go
know
see
where
that.
this is going.
I don't gotta go see that.
Ready for the tuggies, Andy?
Tuck it.
Yes, ready
Can
for
we
the
stop?
target on the rim.
What the fuck? You gotta walk the dog, bro.
Right, we've got a snake.
Don't let the dog walk you. Finally!
We're dangerous.
Yes, yes, up, up, up. Look, that's so lazy then. Wow. See?
Right, snake charmer as well. Why have you dumped loads of leaves on him?
I think she attack you.
Right.
Yeah, she will attack you.
Okay. Now there's just this booby trap for us to all trip over and land on it.
Yeah, this is just
Yeah, brilliant, brilliant. Okay.
He's coming.
He's on your gob. He's
Bro,
on your
well, get it
actual
off!
skull.
Oh, hell no. Hell no.
Don't be no pussy now.
We've
A
done
pussy?
4.47 kilometers.
Mana ini
And it's taken us 3 hours.
Yum yum yum. Mana ini ya?
That's not even a mile. How long is 4 kilometers, chat? How many miles is that, chat? Hurry up.
All right, already.
Another
We're in the
one?
zone where lava bombs
Oh.
are landing 1.5 kilometers from the crater.
Yeah.
Right. Alright, so that's a lava bomb. Size of that. And how fresh do you think that is?
This is quite new. 2, 3, 4 months ago. Because it just
Right.
landed like this.
They're all around us. They're everywhere actually.
Yes, as well.
There's hundreds of them.
I think we will see more. Just be ready. If there's explosion, as I told you, don't move. Okay? Sometimes you can hear like wah, like that. So, and then just try to hide to something like wall like this. That's it.
So be ready to not
If
move.
there is
This dumbass
to
nigga.
hide to something like wall like this. That's it.
Right next to the lava bomb? Hide on the wall right next to the lava. There's literally a lava bomb right here, sir. That looks like a terrible idea. Terrible idea. How about we just get the fuck out of here?
So be ready to not
If
move.
there is, yeah. But now, yes, now like I don't hear any rumbling, something. So maybe, let's see.
Silence means that there could be a big explosion imminent.
Yes, it's been silent the whole time.
It's been silent, yeah, for the past 5
Joe
hours.
watching Joe.
And we're just walking directly.
Captain!
So we need to be ready to not do it.
Right then, we proceed towards the crater.
He's gone.
He's fucked up.
He's gone. What? Every time they start one of these little
More
camera things, they're
fragments, more
gone.
bombs.
If that hits your helmet, you're dead.
Yeah, the helmet is just
Irrelevant.
so nothing.
Because it's like, it's
Even
liquid
that,
at the
and
time,
being
right? It's not
800
even like
degrees.
rock.
Yeah,
Plastic. We are in the hands of Andy Volcano.
yeah.
Are they safe hands?
I don't know. I don't know where they've been. Fuck.
I mean, he said it was always spiritual, so he probably ain't really that much of a weirdo. Like, he probably ain't even weird like that. They just making him seem a little weirder, than, you know?
Almost there.
Oh my God.
Fucking god.
So you want this?
Okay.
Move then soon.
Move. Wait. Why is he dashing? This whole thing. I don't feel like he knows quite what's actually going on. It's been silent for hours, Andy. This is not good. We're fully in the clouds. So high up now. And there's no escape.
In what seems like a generic woodland pathway, we are now in fact scaling the crater of this monstrous volcano.
So that
Not how
whole
all the
thing in the
volcanoes
middle
are
is just a
different as well, like
volcano?
this. What is this? The fact that that can erupt violently at any second. It's just, yeah, don't think about it. Just can't see it.
Can't see anything.
So this is the rim of the volcano.
This is 200 meters, 100 meters deep.
Oh, yeah, I think he thinks it's gonna absolutely blow. Like any second.
All right, let's go back.
Could be in for a big explosion.
Why is he always shirtless?
possibility. I decided that we're gonna go down before.
What, to camp?
To the camp, not here.
We're not gonna camp here.
Not gonna come here because here now like the way and the directions is can hit us.
Can it not hit us down there?
Can it not hit us from anywhere? He doesn't know. He definitely just does not know.
I don't think. Can we break for 20 minutes?
Yeah, 30 minutes fine. We go down now.
We
As
go
we
down,
relocate
nigga.
further
Okay,
along the
fucking
rim to
break.
set
Let's
up
go.
camp,
Let's go.
Andy finds a piece of tarpaulin that he used when he was up here a few months ago, of which seems to have fallen victim to this volcano.
You know, this is hit by bomb, then this is melted like this. Bomb landed and then still quite hot.
But this is where we're camping now.
Yes, yes.
So that could happen to us.
Yeah.
Right.
Apa turun ke bawah?
Right.
Lagi nggak tahu ada bom.
This is fucking fucked, mate. It's just showing me the destruction that a bomb has done right there. Why are we camping here then? Repeatedly, Andy does
Maybe
say
it
that,
just
you
it
know,
won't say it won't land in the
he
same
wants to be
spot
taken
twice.
by a volcano. Like that's how he wants to die. And it's like if he does die, if I do die, please throw my body in the crater. I'd love that.
Pick the wrong guy. I need the guy that's got kids and a wife at home and shit. I need that guy. That's the guy I want to go out there with because he's gonna be like, yeah, listen guys,
I've set up my tent
I would
now.
say that we can camp, but we
Right,
actually
so we
can't.
can see the volcano. It's fucking massive.
All of this has got boiling hot magma underneath it.
It's constantly growing.
Realistically, any of it could erupt. The whole thing could go.
Bro, I thought he had like a lace on at first. I was like, what the hell?
Surely.
Oh, let's go! Volcano man! Hey yo.
Coming in hot.
Coming in hot! Come on. Come on!
It's your boy. Don't be a hater. Go to the crater.
Is that a Billie Eilish feature?
But mine is greater.
I mean a sample?
Baby, come with me. I can change your life.
Huh?
Cause I'm Andy V. I can have 4 wives.
Spit that
I
shit,
got lots of
nigga!
talents. I got paracastic flow. Boom, boom, boom. King Volcano. I'm away with 3 new bodies. All boys, no lovelies. Missing female energy. Now we all want doggies.
Well, yo. Yeah, I came for the lava.
Hold on. Let's just. We gotta sit on that for a second. We gotta sit on that. We gotta sit on that for a second. We gotta sit on that for a second. We gotta. What the fuck? Andy was going crazy, and then he just had like. All right, Willer, come on, man.
I'll stay for the targies. I'll erupt double time on a daily, whether it's clear or muggy. Off my tits on volcano copy, I might run around in my bockies. I don't give a toss, I'm with the boys, they accept me, and they're nice to me. Scary bastard explosions, they get leery. And I'm not chatting about your ass. When I'm on a rim, things get hairy. Boom, boom, pow.
What is happening? What is happening right now?
What? My eye out. Might get my tits out. In a real life hell in a cell. You know we're gonna win this bout.
Keep surviving by mistake, so I brought my blanket. And I haven't jizzed all day, so I might just wank with it. My riz is simple, I can fly a drone. But if that don't work, tell your mom, I climb volcanoes. Some think I'm a virgin, cause I walk like spaghetti. So if you shag me, you will not forget me. I'll wear my helmet, cause I don't give a shit. Ben, 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 yes I'm that twit.
I'm not even gonna cap. Beat go crazy. The OSHA eyes in the back, nigga. The beat is going crazy. I'm just like, how they get so sus? How they get so sus on the Eilish team though? You know what I'm saying? And why is it gotta go
I
hard?
don't need water. Look up your wives and daughters. And I'm carrying so much shit right now. Thank fuck for the porters. Let's just do it again. We're coming down hard like acid rain. Everyone thinks we're tapped in the head, and trust me, we're pure insane. I can dive through the jungle, watch how I swiftly move. Drinking all this homemade arak, I'm licked off risky booze.
Okay.
Same old Air Force Ones, now I got stinky shoes.
Okay.
See, I told you we stepped in harder, now we're not here to lose.
Okay. See, okay, he cleaned it up. Okay, he cleaned it up. He cleaned it up. You know what I'm saying? I could probably get caught at the stoplight playing that part. You know what I'm saying? The other part. Andy or Joe? Or...
We've done this before.
I'm drunk, man.
I'm drunk, man.
I came for the lava.
Oh my god! Film that! Oh my god! Getting that! Oh my god! Look at that! Oh, where's the G7X? We've got
Holy
a major
shit.
eruption happening right now! Look at this! We're about 400 meters away, and that is absolutely violent! Look at it!
Gotta go.
Look at it! That is unbelievable!
Gotta go.
That is unbelievable!
Gotta go. That shit cool. All right, it's lit. Gotta go. It's like blacker and blacker smoke is starting to come out.
You can hear them, you can see them.
Bro, look at the smoke clusters. Like, those clouds look crazy.
What's he doing? Wait, what's this bloke doing? Oh. He's looking for a shag.
He's off his tits.
He's off his tits, as per. Volcano's drunk again.
We all want turkeys. We all want turkeys. We all want turkeys.
Bro,
While the
they
sun
made his
begins to
day,
set,
bro.
we're now
made
confronted with
his
the
day.
horrific reality that we must take on Ebu and its lava bomb eruptions with zero visibility, and somehow sleep knowing exactly what it's capable of.
Oh, we're getting smashed again.
This is we have to be finished.
Oh, it has to be finished, does it?
Yeah.
I just don't understand why you sleep there.
That's not like a sound you make when you like something, is it?
I never drink this in Indonesia.
Mate, you drink every day, mate.
In Yogyakarta, I never drink this.
Oh, yeah.
When I go to Ibu.
I'm a certified piss artist. Oh shit! Oh shit! No way! No way! Yeah, I saw that. Oh, it's happening over and over again. What is causing that lightning?
Shit!
Boys. Oh dear. Now this thing is erupting aggressively. And it feels like it's only a matter of time before one of these depositories gets inserted into our camp. Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, let's start packing up, guys. Maybe we pack up a little bit.
Just ping it off. I don't know what it is about the human brain, but seeing that shit live in the flesh, like, it's just amazing. Like, it's absolutely beautiful in a way. Yes, I've got no trousers on. Yes, the volcano is erupting now. Great combination. But we're here for it.
What?
Thanks, Andy.
What? And then the thing is, like, they don't just leave in the morning. They wait a couple hours. Like, they hang around,
phenomenal.
let the sun get to the
As we
highest point. All right,
survive the
bet.
night,
Now we'll go.
I decide to get far too leery and send my drone all the way in to see what's really going on.
Well, got the footage, so it must be all right, huh?
Come on.
Do something.
It's smoking. It's going. It's going. It's going. It is going. Oh my god. Oh my god, boys. Oh my god.
Where does all those rocks come from?
Look at
Took
this,
so long to get
boys.
here. Hey,
Look
Elaine,
at
how we doing, Queen?
Oh shit! Look
Thank you for the birthday wishes. It's gonna be a great day. You already know.
I'm flying in a volcano. Wow. 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 Boys. Wow. Wow.
I feel like Joe.
Terima kasih, Ibu.
Terima kasih.
Thank you, Matos.
Is this nigga barefoot? Bro is barefoot.
It's because we pray, man.
That's nuts, mate. That's nuts. If you did enjoy, please leave a like button, subscribe if you are new, and we will see you in the next one. Peace!
That was crazy. Them niggas wildin'. They was wildin' the whole time. They was wildin'. It made no goddamn sense. I'm still trying to figure out if they're gonna get back safe. Like, I feel like it's just not all there. I don't know what's going on. I'm a little lost on the sauce. Left me wanting more, 100%. Editing was fire. Video was good. It was good. It was talking about tuggies a lot. Other than that, video was fire. I enjoyed that 100%.